Hey there, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun Cricut tutorial, so let's get started. Today we are going to work in Cricut Design Space to create this Dad Jokes loading mug. We're going to start by searching for a mug template. The template we are going to use is the Drawn Mug Design Setup, and we're going to use it for the 15-ounce large drawn mug. We're going to select Customize to import it into Cricut Design Space. Next, we're going to upload a graphic that I found on Creative Fabrica. I uploaded it as a print then cut image initially, and I'm just going to import it and resize. For this project, we are combining sublimation print and vinyl. So we need to make some adjustments to this graphic. I'm going to start by duplicating the graphic and change one of them to a basic cut operation. Next, we're going to use the contour tool, hide all contours except for the status bar. The status bar will be cut from color changing vinyl, which we will add after we have sublimated the mug. Now to adjust the sublimation print. We're going to change this graphic to a basic cut. We're going to use the contour tool again, and we're going to hide the status bar, leaving just the text that we are going to sublimate. We're going to switch it back to a print then cut image. Select the color and click Restore. This restores it to its original colors and format. Next, we'll line up the status bar to the print image and group. Then we'll duplicate so we have two images, one on the front and one on the back of the mug. We're going to center and align to make sure it's properly placed on the template. Then we're going to ungroup the cut files from the print files. And then we're going to regroup the print files and regroup the cut files. We're doing this to separate the two operations within Cricut Design Space. Now we're going to attach the sublimation file to the mug template file and then flatten. This will allow the image to be printed on the paper, and then the Cricut will then cut just the template. We're going to check that it all looks good, and then we'll click Make It. The first mat requires an 8.5 by 14 piece of paper, a legal piece of sublimation paper, that you're going to print on your sublimation printer, and then put it on a large mat. The second mat, we're going to load color changing vinyl for the Cricut to cut. We're going to mirror the print then cut image and then send to your printer. I like to select the medium cardstock setting to cut the template. You will not need to mirror the cut file for the color changing vinyl. It's adhesive vinyl and it will not be ironed on, so there's no need to mirror it. So once you have your image printed, you're going to place it on your large mat and let the Cricut do the work. Then we'll wrap the design around the Cricut mug, secure it with heat tape, and put it in your Cricut Mug Press. I add a layer of butcher paper to protect the press. The Mug Press will sublimate the image onto the mug and will beep when it's done. Remove it from the Mug Press and let cool for a little bit. Be careful because it will be hot. We can reveal the design, and then now we'll add the color changing vinyl using transfer tape. As you can see, when it cools down, it turns a dark green, and then when it warms up, it'll turn a bright green. And there you have it, super easy way to sublimate and add vinyl to your mug using Cricut Design Space. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and follow for more. Thank you for watching.